Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome to Mercedes-Benz of Smithtown. Today I wanted to go over the certified pre-owned experience here, to show you about sales and the service. And who's going to help us out with the service side of the certification is Rob Bacone.
Thank you, Jeff. Right here we have our CLE and we have one of our Mercedes-Benz certified technicians, John, to go over the rigorous process that these vehicles go through to become certified pre-owned vehicles.
Hello, my name is John. I am the CPO technician here at Mercedes-Benz. Quickly going to go over a couple of key points that we like to hit that makes a certified pre-owned vehicle a certified pre-owned vehicle. The car up to the scan tool, make sure that there's no codes. We do pull off the front and the rear tires, check the brakes as well, along with the suspension components, as well as your tire tread depth. Engine bay, we check for oil leaks and make sure that everything is still there. There's nothing broken. There's no rodent damage from maybe cars that sit. We lift the car in the air as we're checking the underside of the vehicle for any damage. We check the exhaust for any damage as well. Electronics is all test with your finger. Make sure the Bluetooth works on your phone. Make sure the radio works. For CPO, everything has to be OEM. From tires to brakes to anything. If there's anything aftermarket on the car that we find, it is replaced with a Mercedes-Benz certified part.
Thank you for that demonstration, John, of some of the key points that the certification process does go through out of 179 total points. To talk more about the sales process, let's kick it back to Jeff.
Thanks for all your help, Rob. I really do appreciate it. So on the sales end of it, not only is it the good thing of service being a certified car, you do qualify for special CPO rates that are going on in the month that you decide to move forward on the vehicle. So we can help go over that. Come on down, because it won't be this vehicle. It's every other Mercedes-Benz that we have here that is certified just like this car here. I look forward to seeing you soon.